Hello, I'm Jennifer Dank, a supplement product developer and your Omega formulator. With 27 years in the nutrition industry, I have created several products, and Omega is one of my favorites because it is simple yet provides many benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids are the foundational nutrients of our overall health. The main three are your EPA, DHA, and ALA, and they support key organs such as brain, heart, and eyes. Omega-3 are an integral part of human cell membrane. To put things in perspective of how important omega-3s are, we have about 30 trillion cells in the human body, and every one of them need omega-3s to function. The sad thing is that our body cannot produce omega-3 naturally. We have to get it by consumption, and because we don't eat fish every day, getting enough omega-3 could be challenging. On top of that, it's not always easy for our body to absorb omega-3 fatty acids. Let's talk absorption. Absorption is the process of nutrients, such as our EPA and DHA, entering the bloodstream and transport to our organs. Bioavailability is the ability that these nutrients can be absorbed and used by the body. We consume omega-3, they enter the bloodstream, transport down to the organs, and down into the cell. But how much of omega-3 truly get absorbed and used by the cell? Absorption of omega-3 is variable from person to person. Day to day, different rate of digestion, different lifestyle, the food we eat, the stress we face, and so on. Consuming omega-3 is better than not consuming at all. However, once inside, does it get absorbed and used by our body? To answer this question, let me show you. In this beaker, there's water. In this flask, there's fish oil. Oil and water do not mix. Omega-3 are good fats, but it's still oil, and it doesn't like water. Because they are polarized, they're never fully mixed together. Water pull one way, fat pull the other way. To ensure omega-3 mix with stomach acid and pass through the cell membrane, we need a technology that has both characteristics. It can mix well with water, it can mix well with fat too. And this is what AquaCelle by Formel does. It self-emulsifies and hold omega-3 fats on the inner circle and water molecules on the outer circle. This enables it to pass through any kind of cell membrane, lipid-based or water-based. Let me add AquaCelle now. See how well they mix together? Because omega-3 fatty acids in AquaCelle mix homogeneously in water and digestive fluid, it can aid optimal digestion, increase absorption, and provide more omega-3s to the cell. We also see a reduction in fishy birth back, as fish oil is no longer floating on top. AquaCelle is a self-emulsify technology that improves absorption of omega-3s. This technology is a food-grade self-emulsifier, 10 microns in size, that mimics the process of biosalt by turning large lipids of droplets of fish oil, 1,000 microns, into tiny particles called micelle. Micelles are 100 microns, which can pass through cell membrane as one whole unit. Hydrophobic, water-fearing tails, and hydrophilic, water-loving heads can flip and move with the bloodstream current. Our key takeaway here is 1, our cell needs omega-3 to function smoothly, but we don't produce it. 2, even if we consume enough omega-3, they might not be absorbed and used by the body. Thank you for your attention. I truly hope that omega-3 will be a part of your daily supplement routine.